How to make a fortune teller. Find out. Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and come on, spice up your scouting, do something different, and subscribe to the channel. There is tons of activities, games, you name it, for new terms, new ideas, new camps. Go on, click the subscribe, it's free to do so, and you can unsubscribe at any point. This month I met virtually an amazing co-host who showed me a really cool craft, which is a fortune teller. But also how to use that not only on a camp, but also if you're going to do it on first term or getting to know people. So it's a really good activity to do. So here's how we got on. So we're talking about obviously short and quick and easy, simple things that leaders can do in, like, you know, a night, or, you know, if there's rainy days or whatever. So what is your scouting skill? What are you going to teach us today then?
So what I'm going to teach you today will be loved very much by people that are a bit creative and like to get crafty, and I'm going to show you how to make a fortune teller. They're really fun actually, because you can use them to like give off positive messages. When you're at an event, for example, you're like camping, you can give messages which are specific to camping. So it's, yeah, really looking forward to showing you this.
So what do you need? What do you need to actually make one?
So what you need is an A4 bit of paper. Lined would work, or you've got the Scoutadelic orange. I love
on brand.
On brand. I am not on brand, but it'll do. So yeah, you need a nice bit of A4 paper,
Okay.
and then ideally 4 pens with 4 different colours. But if you haven't got that, that's okay. You can still use one colour.
So what do I need to do first with my bit of paper?
Okay, so with your bit of paper, what we're going to do is fold it so that it makes a triangle. So I'm just going to quickly fold it.
Okay.
Show you. So the paper needs to look like this.
Right. Okay.
How's that looking? That is the best folded piece of A4 paper I've ever seen.
Really? You're just saying that. You're just saying it. You're just saying that.
Right, so what we're going to do now is, when you look at your folded bit of paper, you've got it flappy here.
Yeah.
You want to turn it around, and then this bit you want to fold back on itself. So we're effectively creating a bit of a square. Perfect. There we go.
Thank
now
you.
what we're going to do is lift this flap again, and you can use some scissors.
Okay.
You can tear it naturally, which is what I'm going to do. Is we're going to tear along this crease here, so then we'll have a rectangular bit of paper, if that makes sense. Ta-da! Yes. So what we'll have now is a triangular bit.
Yep.
And a rectangular bit. This bit is rubbish. You can throw that away. In fact, you could use that in your camp kit to help you with some fire lighting, right?
Hey, look at you trying to get in with the campfire lot.
That's it. Do you know what? I got in there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to open up this bit of paper so it's nice and square.
Yep.
Now, as you can see, there's a natural crease that goes across. We want to create a crease along there now, so we need to halve the bit of paper.
Right, okay. So you go from corner to corner on the other.
Yep.
Okay.
And then we've got 2 creases, as you can see.
Yeah,
Now,
X marks the spot.
Yeah, now what we want to do is where my finger is at the top, we need to fold that so it goes into the middle.
Oh, into the middle.
So it looks like that.
Okay. Let me.
And yeah, you've got it. We want to do it with all of them now. So this point into the middle, this point into the middle, and then this point.
Oh, right, okay. So all the points into the middle. Okay.
All the points into the middle. So then you end up with something like that. Now what we're going to do is similar to what we do, flip it around. And now we want these corners to go into the middle.
Right, okay. So I've got that, and then I've got that side.
Perfect. So we've got that. So 4 little squares. Then you turn it around, and then you've got 4 little triangles, or 8 half triangles.
Right.
So on the 4 squares, what we want to do is put a colour on each square.
Oh, okay.
And then when you put a colour on each square, you will write the name of the colours, so like green, purple, orange, and blue.
Right, okay.
And then on the other side, where there's the small triangles, we will put numbers 1 to 6, 8. 1 to 8. There we go. There's 8 half triangles. So that's what we want to do now. So,
Okay. So 1 to 8. And
I can't remember what one I've just done now.
Ooh,
There we go.
look at that.
Yeah, yours looks a lot more attention to detail than mine. Mine's very scribbly.
Oh, okay.
We almost want to unfold each corner, and then in each
Right.
corner we're going to write a message in there that we're going to share with our friends.
Oh, right, okay.
So what I put in here is, for example, I put my favourite thing about you is ... So you're encouraging someone to say something really kind and
I
positive
like
to their friend.
that. Okay. All right. I like that. So it's
so I
basically questions that they can then answer to the group, or
Yeah, it's entirely what people want to put. What I would always say to my young people is put something encouraging in there and nothing too silly, because sometimes people say stuff which is a bit silly, but for me it's all about what you're going to tell someone, whether it's a statement or whether it's the start of a sentence that you're going to finish yourself. Keep it really positive, because actually these are all about making people smile and make people feel really good as a result of what you do. But what I've done with these before is, I think it was Mental Health Awareness Week, and we did these in our Scout group, and it was all about encouraging people to say something kind to someone that makes their mental health really positive or makes them feel better. So you can use these in all different types of contexts. What you do is you fold inwards, so you're folding the numbers into each other, and then once it looks like that, what you're then doing is you're trying to fold it in, so you've got to put your fingers under each tab.
oh, right, okay. Yeah.
And you need to fold it, and you have it like that. Oh, yours looks so much better than mine.
Okay.
So you'll have your fortune teller or positive teller or icebreaker, whatever you want to call it,
Yeah.
to make it really personal to you.
Okay.
And then you play a little game. So I am going to do this with you.
All right, okay.
So I'm going to ask you to, if you can see, pick a colour.
I'm gonna go with orange.
So you spell out orange.
Yeah.
Nice and loud. So you go O, but as you go O, you go out like this,
Mm-hmm.
close it, and then you
Yeah.
go R.
Okay. Yeah.
Then you go A, N, G, E.
Yeah.
You then go pick a number, any number. So the numbers we've got there is 1, 2, 5, and 6.
I'm gonna go with 1. 1.
Oh, so we go 1.
Okay.
You go pick a number, so 7, 8, 4, and 3.
4.
So number 4.
Yeah.
Then once you've got number 4, you open it back up.
Okay.
And then what I'm doing is I'm looking at my numbers, I find number 4, and I'm going to open number 4
Okay.
and read
Yeah.
the message for number 4.
Yeah.
So mine is a sentence starter, and it says, I really like that ... So mine is going to be, I really like that you make everyone smile when they watch Scoutadelic. And that's it.
That's
So
nice.
everyone feels, you now feel really happy because I've encouraged you and said that you make everyone smile.
Yeah.
I now feel really happy because you've encouraged me and said I'm always positive. So now I'm going to be even more positive than I was before. Yeah, so it's just a really great way to bring everyone together, to really promote that importance of saying kind things to each other and making each other feel good.
I think this is an amazing idea, so that's great and quick and easy to do. So brilliant.
Can you?
If you liked that video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it around. And otherwise, I'll see you again soon for another one of these. Bye.